Welcome to MBBS Council. After the NEET 2022 exam gets over, every candidate wants to know their possibility to get their dream medical college for their expected NEET score. Many are keen to know whether they have possibility to get under government quota or management quota so that they can prepare financially or decide to repeat NEET exam or take up some other courses. You can see last year NEET closing cutoff and fees details for all medical colleges in India by installing MBBSCouncil Android App from Google Play Store. You can find the app link in the description below. After installing the app, you can use the college Predictor facility to see which quota and college you have chance to get for your NEET score or rank. Apart from last year cutoff, you can also see key information such as number of postgraduate and super specialty courses, total beds, patient flow, service bond, etc. on MBBSCouncil app. This information is used by parents to analyze the education quality of medical college and clinical exposure of its affiliated hospital. After installing this app, parents can use the college ranker facility to rank all medical colleges based on fees, as well as other key quality indicators. Do you know there is a way to study in government medical college, even if your score is close to 500 under general category? Are you aware, registration for low-fees government college just got over, even before the NEET 2022 results are announced. Similarly, low-fees private college counselling registration, through Kerala Counselling Authority, also got over already. Notification facility is available on MBBSCouncil app. It will keep you up to date on what is happening on 20+ various NEET counselling across India. It will ensure you do not miss any deadline. Do you know more than 30% of the counselling proceedings are not covered in the prospectus? If you are serious in your medical career, you need to get updates from an expert with experience to avoid any counselling mistakes. We also provide personal mentoring and consulting service who want us to help them throughout the NEET counselling process till they get the allotment order. Last year 10,000+ MBBS Council users got allotment under various counsellings. We look forward to see you in MBBS Council app. Let us travel together till you get your allotment order.